First, the application asks for the text for what is Totally Not Ryan's email, and it has a default of tnr@mlh.io. Secondly, it sets the input value into the variable email so that it can be used later on in our code. Third, it launches the application messages, however this could be done with other applications using different code. And finally, it runs the Apple script to actually execute the code. So firstly, it tells the application messages to set a variable, which is a different variable, email, to item 1 of input, which is our parameter, which is the email variable. Secondly, it sets the target service to the first account with the service type iMessage. This means that it's actually going to use iMessage. Then it sets the target buddy, which is Totally Not Ryan, to the email of target service. So it sets it to an iMessage with that email. And then it sends Hey Totally Not Ryan to that account. It waits 600 seconds or 10 minutes. And then it repeats whilst true. It sends one of these 6 messages. Have you earned points today? Waits 10 minutes. Don't forget to check in. Waits 10 minutes. Asks if you've got a special code. Waits 10 minutes. Sends the word points. Waits 10 minutes. Reminds them to have fun. Waits 10 minutes. And then says go see Mary. It waits 10 minutes. And then it repeats back up to the start. So to see this in action, I'll just run the app. So I don't know what Totally Not Ryan's email is, so I'll just leave it as tnr@mlh.io. I click OK, and it loads messages. As you can see, it starts sending messages. Now I had this running all day yesterday, so this is the amount of messages that didn't get sent to Ryan. And it just goes on and on and on. Unfortunately it's not loading right now, but it sends a lot of messages because it sends one every 10 minutes, and it's quite difficult to turn this program off, but that's the Totally Not Ryan bot.